Today we're going to break down and build back up the pronunciation of the word kernel in English. The pronunciation guidance from the Cambridge Online Dictionary shows that this word has 2 syllables and the stress is on syllable 1. So it's kernel. Let's break it down into the individual syllables. Syllable 1 starts with the unvoiced k sound. Then we have the long vowel Together that's cur. Syllable 2 starts with the nasal consonant n, and then we have that combination of schwa and the dark owl sound, which together sounds like ul. That's ul. So syllable 2 together is null. And if we put all of that back together, the word is kernel, with the stress on syllable 1. Repeat after me, kernel. So, now you know how to pronounce kernel in English. My top tip is to pay attention to any influence from your native language or any other languages you've studied, which may have a word related to kernel, as you might find that the pronunciation in other languages causes some interference with how you say it in English. But what we're aiming for is kernel. If you've got any questions, let me know in the comments, and if you found that useful, hit the like button. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.